Hello everyone and welcome. So in our previous tutorials, we have completed with all the tools and we have set up our basic CAM manufacturing process. Now in this video, we are going to see how to create the CNC codes for our machine. So let's start now. So the one thing is now left is our generating the code, the CNC code, which we are going to store in our machine for working purpose. So just go to post process. This will open up this dialog box, and as you can see, it has been loading right now. Basically, it is generating our everything, the tool paths, our code, and everything. Fine. So just go here, and this is the milling machine. Vendors, select the vendor you have in your machine. So I'm selling the Haas automation. Fine. The configuration of the machine, I'm leaving it as this. You can see select anything. So I'm selecting the pre-NGC. Fine. So folder, I'm going to save it at desktop. Desktop, I want to save it at desktop. Okay, I've selected the folder. The program name, the program comment, and everything you have done. Just click on post and just save it. So as you save it, okay, boom, it is open. And you can see this is your code. And writing this code is very difficult. And you have done it very easily in your Fusion 360 software. So how long it is this code? Okay, so this is your CNC code. Just store into your machine, put your stock, and you are ready to go. Okay, so this is your computer manufacturing or the manufacturing process in your Fusion 360. This is how you do it, and you are ready to head to your CNC machine. Just put this code in it, and you are ready to go. So this is your code. How long it is, you can see. Fine. So you are done with this, and we are going to meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. And if you like this video and like the tutorial, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, we will going to meet in the next video soon, and I'm going to upload the advance also in the computer and manufacturing soon. Till then, bye bye.